While the Galaxy S25 Ultra's appearance may get a significant redesign, the battery may not. Reported tipster Ice Universe claims that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a battery capacity of 5,000 mAh and a wired charging speed of 45 watts. If the specifications seem familiar, it's because they've been the same on every Samsung flagship device since the Galaxy S20 Ultra debuted in 2020. In other words, you should anticipate that the average battery life of the model released the following year will be roughly the same as that of the current model. However, over the course of the previous 4 generations, Qualcomm's improved chips have significantly improved battery life, increasing it from roughly 12 hours on a single charge with the S20 Ultra to nearly 17 hours with the most recent Galaxy S24. Samsung phones are renowned for having exceptional battery life, and their 45-watt charging speed is still competitive, but only for their premium models, which also have premium prices. The Ultra's battery has been running for so long without an upgrade, which is a touch frustrating and allows rivals a chance to sneak ahead. Comparable-sized smartphones like as the Asus ROG Phone 8 have an incredible 5,500 mAh battery life, while the Google Pixel 8 Pro has a 5,050 mAh battery, a little upgrade over the Pixel 7 Pro's 5,000 mAh. Though it's no longer the only kit on the block, the Ultra's battery capacity made it stand out when it initially appeared on the Galaxy S20. There are rumors that Samsung is focusing on improving the Galaxy S25 Ultra camera configuration in an effort to persuade customers to upgrade. The largest may be the quad-lens rear camera system, which includes a secondary 50MP telephoto camera, a 200 megapixels main camera, a 50 megapixels super telephoto camera, and a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera. In the meanwhile, it may take on a more rounded, slimmer appearance akin to the Galaxy Note 7. Samsung releases details about its next Galaxy S25 series, which is most likely going to happen in early 2025. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.